again. We just got a new SUV to go traveling, do blogging, and wouldn't you know it, 6 days later a hailstorm came and did hail damage. So what I've done, I've got two of my friends help me put up a tent carport.
Yeah, go talk to Daisy. Yeah, thank you.
What do you think? Okay, this is a tent we ordered from Amazon.
Yeah.
And as you can see, it's cloth, so it'll stop the hail. It won't scratch the SUV. So little by little, they'll put it up, and hopefully we can anchor it down so the wind don't take it away. We'll come back.
Okay, Pastor. You need to put on their single.
Yes, that.
Well, you film him saying it. Hey, so do that.
Yes, he's
So what?
available,
Say,
guys.
if you're rich, I'm available.
Oh no.
Go ahead.
That will sound like
Don't make it neat.
if you're rich, I'm available. Like that. Part of my hair,
Do it.
I ain't got enough money to cut my hair. Buy more material. I don't think that has material to cover the
Said
side.
it, dear. We'll find out.
Really?
I hope so. Please come over here.
This is the roof.
Yeah, that's
Oh,
the roof,
wow.
baby.
In a minute, we're gonna put the legs up and it's gonna go high.
Cool.
Not too high. Enough for the car to
So
go.
right there. Okay, now we're doing the roof, little by little. This is Ishmael helping us out, and pretty soon it shall be done.
All right.
Step by step, we'll show you how we did it.
Yeah.
Say something about a two-man job. Ha, I laugh at that.
Looks real good.
Hope I'm doing it right.
Well, we don't want it a white one. I think I'll do it all over.
We'll just paint it. It's okay, but it's a little breaking hit.
Plastic, isn't it?
No, well, it's treated like for heat resistant. You come under here and it feels cool. Like it keeps,
Oh, look at
it keeps the sun out, you know.
Yeah.
That's what it's for the
Wow.
heat. Yeah.
Good.
And it's not heavy, right?
Oh, no. It's like the tarp. Keep the rain out and stuff like
Yes.
that. The hail. Oh, the hail damage.
New carport.
Nothing. No, Pastor, sometimes they don't put all of them. This one goes here. And one goes there. What'd you put over there, Pastor? Should have that one like that, right?
Your new house.
Doghouse. Permanent
Yep.
doghouse.
Don't give her any ideas.
Is that? All right, let me just. It's gonna protect your car real good.
Oh,
Out of the
wow,
sun.
this is strong.
Yes, it's sturdy.
Mm. I think this will last like 3 years or 4 years,
I think so.
right? Yeah.
We'll get some screws. Put these in the cement.
Oh yeah.
These here.
No, for now.
Then you can still go out from here. Oh yeah, there's a big space.
Look.
Oh yeah. Cool.
I gotta wait for the sun to go down a little bit. Come back out and wash it. Right now it's so hot. It'll dry too fast.
Okay. Simple.
Okay, you can see it's quite a lot of wind. It's all the way down because we gotta get a drill and drill the screws into the cement. If we don't let the wind come out from under it, it'll just blow it over. If you like this, subscribe to my channel, Words of Wisdom by Ken. I thank you for listening, and until next time, God bless you.